Alright, here's big picture anatomy with a look at how bile and pancreatic juices are produced by the pancreas and the gallbladder and delivered to the duodenum to help digest food and chyme coming in from the stomach. What we've got in the drawing is the J-shaped stomach in the upper left quadrant of the abdomen, the C-shaped duodenum in the upper right corner of the abdomen. Remember, it's as if you're looking at the person. Nestled in the C of the duodenum is the pancreas, the head of the pancreas, tailing out towards the greater curvature of the stomach. And then right there we've also got the gallbladder coming off. All of these organs are nestled on the underside of the liver. And I've just got the liver dashed in like this so that it doesn't interfere with the rest of the drawing, but here's the big liver with all its lobes overlaying these organs. So, taking a closer look, the pancreatic juices are going to be produced by the acinar tissue of the pancreas, secreted into little ducts that all feed into a large pancreatic duct running down the middle of the pancreas and delivering those pancreatic juices into the duodenum right at what's called the sphincter of Oddi. Joining the pancreatic duct right at the sphincter of Oddi is going to be the common bile duct coming from the gallbladder, delivering bile from the gallbladder. However, remember that there's a process of constant production of bile by the lobules of the liver flowing into the hepatic ducts of the liver, but between meals, not going directly into the duodenum, but rather following this route up into the liver where the bile accumulates between meals. After a meal, when that bile is needed, because there's now food coming in from the stomach, or in the form of chyme from the stomach, that bile is expremed or pushed by the gallbladder down through what's called the cystic duct, through the common bile duct, and down into the duodenum. So in essence, the gallbladder is a temporary storage location for bile for it to accumulate between meals. The bile is produced by the hepatic ducts in the liver, makes its way through the hepatic duct, up the cystic duct into the gallbladder, and then after a meal, that same bile is pushed through the cystic duct, down through the common bile duct, joining the pancreatic duct at the sphincter of Oddi and into the duodenum. That's then a nice look at how pancreatic juices and bile are produced by the pancreas and liver. The pancreas nestled into the duodenum, the C of the duodenum, constantly producing pancreatic juices which flow through the pancreatic duct and join the duodenum at the sphincter of Oddi. Bile being produced by the lobules of the liver flowing through the hepatic ducts, normally into the gallbladder between meals where it accumulates. After a meal, down what's called the cystic duct, the duct of the gallbladder, into the common bile duct and joining the pancreatic duct into the duodenum. That's bile and pancreatic juices from Big Picture Anatomy.